Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming and welcome to another quick unboxing video. So I recently purchased this mouse, the Logitech G102. So I've been doing a bit of research into finding the best mice out there, and this comes highly recommended. I looked up Rocket Jump Ninja's guide, and he basically explained how to pick the right mouse based on your hand size. So what he says is basically you measure your length of your hand from sort of tip of your middle finger to your wrist and across, so and take 60% of that. So for me this is 18 centimeters and this is 10 centimeters, so length would be about 10.8, about 11, and this would be 6 centimeters. So that is roughly the dimensions I need for a comfortable grip. So this one was the closest that came, and it's also quite light. Now my previous mouse, the Logitech G402, is quite a heavy mouse, and so I decided to try this out and see what difference it makes in everyday use and also especially in FPS games. So let's unbox this and see what it's like. This was on a lightning deal on Amazon, and this cost me $12.99. Normal price is $14.99, and here it was a bit cheaper. Quite a small box, as you can see. And what do you get in the packaging? So see if there's anything else here. Yeah, this paper, warranty information and stuff, and the mouse is in a small bag. That's about it. So here is the mouse. It's actually not that small. I mean, it is small, quite small actually. Now let me see if I can get my G402 in shot and compare it. So I managed to get it in among the wires, and if we see, it is quite small. So this one is good, it's not bad, but it's got too many things that I don't really need. For example, you got these buttons here, this button here, and to be fair, this shape is also, it's not uncomfortable. You can just get a good grip on your hand, but you can see how much simpler and smaller this is, and much lighter as well. This is 145 kgs, this is 85, sorry, 145 grams, and this is 85 grams. 145 kgs would be more than me. Yeah, so I'll use this for a few weeks and then give you my thoughts. But yeah, initially it looks nice, very simple, very elegant. It has LED, so this strip here lights up and you can change the color in this as well, sort of like this. This one has just the G thing. So yeah, this one was almost exactly 2000 when I got it, 1995 I think. Normally it's about that price, maybe 100 200 more, and this one is about 600 cheaper on average. So yeah, big size difference, should be more comfortable, and apparently smaller lighter mice help with aim, and of course you can go with the fingertip grip and the claw grip or something. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick unboxing. As you can see, just a box, mouse in the bag, that's it, nothing else. So yeah, consider this if you like, because this comes very highly recommended. This is one of the best out there and quite cheap as well, and I think, as far as I'm concerned, I really don't want to spend more than 2000 on a mouse. For me this is almost perfect. So yeah, I'll probably play Apex Legends with this mostly, because that's the only FPS I play these days. Play it for a few weeks and I'll let you know if I notice an improvement or a difference, or if aiming is easier or moving the mouse is easier, etc. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.